Thank you, Your Honor. Good afternoon. Can you please introduce yourself to the jury and spell your last name?
Yes, my name is Tehronna Khan. Last name is Khan.
And Ms. Khan, how are you employed currently?
I'm a mitigation specialist / paralegal for the Federal Defenders of the Middle District of Georgia.
And what is that what do those job responsibilities entail?
What I do is I go down three different, the male side and the maternal and paternal side of the families, and I investigate all of the issues. I don't do fact investigation, and I also do the mental evaluations not the evaluations, but I go back, doing all the records and get all the things together, present it to the courts so we can try to get a lesser sentence for our clients.
Okay. And that's with a habeas unit?
Not right now. I'm just with the Middle District of Georgia. But I was doing that with the habeas here in Tallahassee.
Okay. And how long have you been in your current role in the Middle District of Georgia?
1 year in Georgia.
Okay. Prior to that, did you work for the Federal Defender's Office here in the Northern District of Florida?
I did, the Capital Habeas Unit.
And can you tell us what you did there, please?
Yes, I did investigation, went to talk to clients, all their families. It was more of a fact investigation at that point.
Okay. And so that entailed you going out at the direction of the attorneys that you worked with, interviewing individuals?
Correct.
Gathering records?
Yes.
And that included individuals that were in custody, correct?
Correct.
And preparing reports?
Correct.
And presenting that to whom?
The attorneys.
Okay. Did it also bring you to have occasion to testify in court ever?
No.
No. Now, how long were you employed with the Northern District of Florida Federal Defender's Office?
From 2016 until July 2022.
And can you tell us a little bit about your educational background?
Yes, I have an associate's in paralegal, a bachelor's in legal studies, and I've studied sociology, and I've earned a certificate in that.
Okay. And when did you complete your bachelor's?
In around 2014, maybe.
Okay. Now, in between working for the Federal Defender's Office in the Northern District of Florida and the Federal Defender's Office in the Middle District of Georgia, did you work as a licensed private investigator in Florida?
After I left the Federal Defender's Office in Tallahassee, yes.
Okay. And how long did you do that for?
Since 2022, and I never, stopped. I just took the job for the Federal Middle District of Georgia and left.
Okay. And as a licensed private investigator, were you retained by my office to interview an individual by the name of Patricia Bird?
Yes.
And where was she located?
In the Leon County Jail.
Okay. How many times did you meet with Miss Bird?
Once.
And that was at the Leon County Jail?
Yes.
And do you remember when that was?
I want to say January. Can I look?
If it'll help refresh your memory, okay. Sure.
Ms. Bird was on January 24th.
2025?
Correct. Sorry.
And when you interviewed Ms. Bird, did you tell Ms. Bird that Mrs. Adelson was going to pay her for her testimony?
No.
Okay. Specifically, did you tell Ms. Bird that Donna Adelson was going to buy her a piece of land?
No.
What about a trailer?
No.
What about veneers for her teeth?
No.
What about a small vehicle for her and her children?
No.
Okay. Did Ms. Bird tell you that Mrs. Adelson had offered those items to her?
No.
Did Ms. Byrd tell you that Mrs. Adelson confessed to any portion of the crimes with which Mrs. Adelson is charged in this case?
Did she tell you that? I'm sorry, can you repeat that?
Did Ms. Byrd tell you that Mrs. Adelson confessed to her?
No.
Just a moment, Your Honor. Ms. Kahn, prior to interviewing Ms. Byrd on January 24th, 2025, did you meet with or speak with Donna Adelson?
No.
Have you ever met with or spoken with Donna Adelson?
No.
Nothing further, Your Honor.
Cross-examination.
Why did you interview Miss Byrd?
I was given a list of names to interview.
By defense counsel?
Correct.
Okay. And she was not a state witness at that time, right?
I wouldn't know.
Wouldn't know. Would it refresh your memory to see a copy of the state's amended discovery when we did list her as a witness?
I didn't see that. I would never seen that.
Okay, so that wouldn't help you to know when she was amended as a witness in the case?
I wouldn't have known it. No.
Okay, so you were not asked to go there because she was a state's witness, I'll just put it
No,
that way?
No.
All right. And did you record your interview with Ms. Byrd?
No.
The SAO investigators were able to record their interview with her. Why didn't you when you interviewed her?
I wasn't asked to do that.
Asked by who?
The attorneys.
So they didn't ask you to do it?
They didn't ask me to record it, no.
Okay. Could you have taken a recorder and recorded it, though?
Had I requested for the jail to permit me to take a recorder in there?
The jail does allow that.
I
If
don't
you-
know, I didn't
if you
ask.
Okay. If you get permission in your experience, is it typical for
Correct, yes.
jails to allow you to do that?
Yes.
Okay. Just a second. That's all I have. Thank you.
Redirect examination.
Ms. Collins, since you didn't ask for permission to take a recording device into the jail when you met with Ms. Byrd, how did you take accurate notes?
As I was speaking with them, I wrote everything down that they said, that they were saying to me.
Okay.
So I did pen and paper.
Pen to paper. And had the state requested those through the discovery process, you would have been able to produce those.
Correct.
Nothing further.
Will this witness need to be recalled or retained for any reason?
We retain her, but she's free to go on about her business.
You may step down, Ms. Khan. If you are recalled by the attorneys, they will let you know. Do not discuss your testimony with any other person. Please call your next